some people, they have fear that the war is going to come or a big calamity.
That's it. Such prediction, scientists are saying, great earthquake is coming, take place. To destroy everything. The whole, this part of America will be completely destroyed. Shall go, shall make some arrangement to protect ourselves, protect our assets. We have faith in their words, no faith in Krishna. Faithless persons, no faith in Krishna and Krishna's protection. And you are afraid? Such bomb explosion that thousands died, killed. Oh, Baba, Bombay. Yeah. Terrorists have come, setting bombs. So dangerous situation, what to do? Baba, who will give protection? All Krishna will give protection. Nobody will give protection. Why are you so afraid? Take shelter at lotus feet of Krishna. And have faith and protection of Krishna. Why are you in such anxiety and such fearful situation? Arshaka avaya amruter sthala. Tomar charanadaya tahate kono visram labya charinu bhaver bhav. Bhakti says, no Lord, your two lotus feet is such a place. There is no fear, no lamentation, no death. Amrut is there, nectar is there. So taking shelter at such lotus feet of yours, I am free from all matter, all fears. No fear now. I am fearless now, not afraid of any situation. Yes, such a place. Yes. Why does it take shelter there? And you are afraid of. You are in a panic. Day and night thinking this, such dreadful situation, such fearful situation, dangerous situation now, on the country, on the whole world, everything will be devastated, destroyed, finished. Who is protector? Who will give us protection? Who is there? Protection? Just said that thing. Why don't you take shelter at his lotus feet? It's only shelter. Such nice lotus feet. No fear, no lamentation, no death. No death. Why are you afraid of death? This nectar is there. Ashaka avaya amruter sthala tomar charanadaya. Tahate kono visram labya charinu bhaver bhav. Bhakti says, lotus feet is such a place. There is no fear, no lamentation, no death. Taking shelter, there, your lotus feet. Now I am free from all fear, all lamentation, even fear of death. Yes, I am happy now. Yes, I am fearless now. Yes. What this Parikshit Maharaj say? Let thousands, hundreds, thousands, takshakas, kuhakas come and bite me. I am not afraid. You go on speaking Krishna Katha. So, this is protection. Krishna is protected, Katha is protected, name, holy name is protected, giving protection. Yes. But you have no faith. Helpless person. Have complete faith in it. And see what is there, how protection is there, maintenance is there, everything is there.